fuck him out of all explosive shit.
Only 2 left.
Bill's down on that one. Got him.
Don't shoot, you fucking idiot! What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god! You're so
Everybody
stupid!
take a pause. Everybody take a pause.
Holy
Don't go up.
fucking dog shit!
Who was firing at
That was
me?
Matt! What the hell were you doing?
Because
Oh my
I
God.
was hiding behind
Oh my
cover.
god!
I was hiding behind
Don't even
cover
try
and
to
getting
explain
shot
it. That
at.
was a fucking brain dead play.
I
Holy
was hiding behind
shit!
cover, and when I popped up, my plan was to shoot at him right away, and then right as I popped up, and
Just
started
stop for a second. We're gonna wait here for about 2 minutes.
shooting. Oh my
Oh.
god! And he was in the middle of melee. I'm sorry.
Jesus
I was in the
Christ.
middle of the coolest melee after we finished.
You get like a split second to, okay, sure, that's understandable. You unloaded a full fucking clip and took his shields down. You waited for the entire 2-second animation to go, and then you're like, wait, what am I doing?
I got so scared because I thought I screwed up because I thought you were trying to get me to stop the melee. 'cause
No, you made a hero play. Matt almost took you fucking right out.